How to turn off dark mode onto his application. Are you guys facing issue to turn off to his dark mode? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off dark mode on his application, first of all, open Twitch on a mobile device. Once you open the Twitch, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Just simply click on profile icon. After you click on it, tap on settings, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on settings, you can see the option for preference, notification, content preference. Just simply tap on preferences. Now select the first option, app theme. Tap on menu. You are looking to turn off it, right? Or just simply select light mode over here. After you click on light mode, your dark mode will be instantly turned off. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn off dark mode onto his application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.